For this install, you will need to remove the intake duct. This is held in place by 2 nuts and a plastic clip. Once the nuts have been removed, the duct should be able to be unclipped and pulled away. We can now access the boost sensor. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on the releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the intake duct and reattach the nuts holding it in place. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.